This is your girl Taylor, and today I'll be doing another video on apple cider vinegar. And today we're gonna be making So before we begin this video, I'm gonna show you guys what are the benefits of apple cider vinegar.
Can lower your cholesterol, prevent the flu, dissolve kidney stones, nail fungus, and much more. Oh, and did I forget? You can also lose weight. So to make these shots, we'll be using the Bragg apple cider vinegar, great value lemon juice, strawberries, and stevia, and you also need some water as well.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and defrost the strawberries by hand. I'm gonna put them in cold water, let it sit a little bit, and then once it defrosts a little bit, then I'll come back on the camera. I won't exactly be using shot glasses for these. I'll be using these little plastic containers. I did get this from the Family Dollar store, and they were like $1, and you get like 10 of them. And they all come with the lid as well. So it comes with a cute little lid. So that's what we're gonna be putting our apple cider vinegar in. So I have now finished making my apple cider vinegar shots, and this is pretty much how they look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give one of these bad boys a try, okay? Because it is Friday and your girl is off for work, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go take me one of these apple cider vinegar shots. But if you're trying to detox, you're trying to lose some pounds, then I definitely do recommend apple cider vinegar. So cheers to the weekend, guys.
Oh my God!
That is a hell of a shot. Ooh. I will warn you, that was kind of strong. So I do recommend maybe adding more water to it. But other than that, the fruit was great. I did taste the lemon juice. I did taste the stevia. Ooh, I'm feeling that shot. But thank y'all so much for watching my video. And I hope you guys do try these apple cider vinegar shots. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.